For those who need continuous and accurate glucose monitoring, a dynamic glucose meter offers a smarter, real-time solution. Unlike traditional meters, these advanced devices track blood sugar trends throughout the day, helping you make better lifestyle and treatment decisions. To keep your health on track with precision and ease, here are the best 5 dynamic glucose meters that combine innovation, comfort, and reliability. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Aidex Dynamic Glucose Meter. Every once in a while, a health tech product comes along that feels like a genuine leap forward. And the Aidex Glucose Meter is exactly that. Imagine being able to track your blood glucose levels in real time, 24 hours a day, without the constant hassle of pricking your finger or scanning a sensor every few hours. This device brings that vision to life. It's designed for anyone who's serious about managing their blood sugar, whether you're living with diabetes or simply trying to stay in tune with your body's metabolism. The Aidex CGM uses continuous glucose monitoring technology that updates dynamically, giving you a clear and uninterrupted picture of your glucose fluctuations throughout the day and night. One of the most exciting aspects of this device is its scan-free operation. Many glucose meters still require a manual scan or reader check-in, but not this one. Once it's set up, it quietly works in the background, feeding your data directly to your connected device through Bluetooth. The interface is surprisingly intuitive, making it easy for anyone to understand, even if you're new to digital health tools. Its multilingual system opens accessibility to users across the world, ensuring that language is never a barrier to managing health effectively. The remote monitoring feature might be the true game-changer here. Family members, caregivers, or healthcare professionals can view glucose readings from anywhere, offering peace of mind and faster intervention if needed. That kind of connected care makes this device not just a glucose meter, but a bridge between everyday users and their support networks. The included battery ensures you're ready to go right out of the box, without worrying about finding replacements or dealing with setup frustrations. Crafted with precision and reliability, the Aidex Dynamic Glucose Meter is proof that smart health technology doesn't have to be complicated or intimidating. It's sleek, responsive, and built for people who want freedom from constant manual tracking. By offering 24-hour continuous monitoring, Bluetooth connectivity, and global language support, it turns an often stressful routine into a smooth, empowering experience. Pros: real-time tracking, easy setup, remote access, multilingual support. Cons: limited availability, high initial cost. Number 4. Aidex 2 Dynamic Glucose Meter. Living with diabetes has never been this empowering. The Aidex 2 Dynamic Glucose Meter takes real-time glucose monitoring to a whole new level of precision and convenience. Designed for people who want total freedom from constant finger pricks, this advanced CGM offers continuous 24-hour monitoring for up to 15 days straight. It's sleek, lightweight, and built with durable ABS material, meaning you can move through your day, work, exercise, or sleep without worrying about interruptions. The Aidex 2 doesn't just track your glucose, it becomes a part of your lifestyle, giving you the confidence to live more freely and focus on what truly matters. The technology behind this second-generation Aidex device is fascinating. It uses a high-accuracy sensor that delivers readings every few minutes, with a mean absolute relative difference, MARD, of only 8.66%, ensuring you always get reliable, near-clinical precision. The 1-hour sensor preparation time is impressively short, so you can get started quickly without long waiting periods. And with IP68 liquid ingress protection, you can shower, exercise, or even face unexpected rain without any worries. The device is tough enough to handle real life. One of the most exciting features is its built-in Bluetooth connectivity. It syncs effortlessly with your smartphone, allowing you to monitor glucose trends in real time, receive alerts, and track changes through a clear, user-friendly app interface. You can visualize your progress, understand your glucose patterns, and take control of your health like never before. This smart functionality brings you peace of mind, knowing your data is always accessible and up to date. The Aidex 2 is designed with human comfort in mind. Its compact sensor feels almost invisible once applied, giving you uninterrupted freedom throughout the day. The 15-day lifespan per sensor means fewer replacements, less hassle, and more consistent readings. From its elegant engineering to its thoughtful design, everything about this monitor screams reliability and innovation. For anyone tired of painful fingersticks or clunky devices, this is a refreshing leap forward. Precise, comfortable, and genuinely life-changing. Pros: accuracy, comfort, Bluetooth connectivity, long lifespan. Cons: price, sensor prep time. Number 3, Yuwell Anytime 5P Dynamic Glucose Meter. For anyone who's ever dreaded the prick of a needle or the constant hassle of traditional glucose checks, this device feels like pure freedom. Imagine a compact featherlight sensor that continuously tracks your glucose for 16 days straight, giving you over 7,600 readings without lifting a finger. It's not just accurate, it's cutting edge, boasting a MARD of 8.58%, far surpassing industry averages. That means readings you can trust every time, powered by Yuwell's patented biosensor and an AI-driven algorithm fine-tuned for your body's unique rhythm. What's truly mind-blowing is how easy it is to apply. The 2-second twist and push applicator makes setup practically effortless, sliding the sensor just under the skin at a shallow depth of less than 6 millimeters. No assembly, no pain, no fuss. Just a simple click and go. The hypoallergenic materials make it gentle on the skin, so even after wearing it for more than 2 weeks, it feels weightless and comfortable. At only 2 grams and 23 millimeters in diameter, it's smaller than a coin and lighter than a feather, vanishing seamlessly into your daily life. In just 45 minutes, a full 25% faster than previous models, it's ready to start sending real-time glucose updates straight to your smartphone. The integrated Bluetooth 5.0 connection ensures smooth, instant syncing so you can easily track, analyze, and share your readings with family or your healthcare provider. The Smart Alert system gives you real-time warnings for both high and low glucose levels, keeping you safe and informed wherever you are. With a durable IP58 waterproof rating, you can shower, swim, or sleep without removing it, giving you continuous insight into your glucose levels 24 hours a day. It's clear Yuwell designed this device for real life, for people who want health monitoring that fits effortlessly into their routine. From its smooth design to its fast setup and scientific precision, it's a reminder that managing diabetes doesn't have to feel like a chore. It's technology working for you, quietly, intelligently, and constantly. Pros: accuracy, comfort, quick setup, smart connectivity. Cons: price, adult-only use. Number 2. Schbit Freestyle Dynamic Glucometer. Managing blood sugar has never felt this effortless. Imagine a device so light you almost forget you're wearing it. Yet it quietly keeps track of your glucose every 3 minutes with clinical precision. That's the experience offered by this dynamic, real-time blood glucose monitor. Designed for those who want to live freely without the daily hassle of finger pricks, this sleek and portable device blends cutting-edge sensor technology with seamless Bluetooth connectivity to deliver instant, accurate readings directly to your smartphone. Its painless operation and compact 5-gram sensor make it almost invisible during wear, while still delivering hospital-grade accuracy that inspires confidence every time you check your data. With a durable 14-day sensor lifespan, you can go about your life, workouts, showers, even sleep, without interruption, thanks to its IPX7 waterproof rating that keeps it secure against sweat and splashes. What makes this device truly special is how it redefines the relationship between you and your health. Instead of reacting to glucose spikes, you can anticipate and adjust in real time, giving you control over your energy, focus, and long-term wellness. Whether you're managing diabetes or simply keeping an eye on your metabolism, the freedom of continuous tracking without pain is empowering. The Schbit Freestyle Dynamic Glucose Monitor isn't just a medical tool, it's a lifestyle upgrade for anyone who values both accuracy and comfort. The built-in AI algorithm processes readings with remarkable stability, filtering noise and delivering consistent performance regardless of temperature or motion. Lightweight, yet robust, its ABS construction feels premium and reassuringly durable. The Bluetooth feature makes syncing effortless, transforming complex medical data into simple, actionable insights. You can even share readings remotely with family or healthcare providers, keeping everyone informed and confident. It's small, smart, and surprisingly stylish. A quiet revolution in personal health monitoring that fits perfectly into everyday life. Pros: accuracy, comfort, connectivity, durability. Cons: sensor lifespan. Number 1 and the winner is Schbit CGM Dynamic Glucose Meter. Imagine waking up each morning knowing your blood sugar is already being tracked, analyzed, and understood before you've even reached for your phone. That's the feeling of freedom that comes with this next-generation continuous glucose monitoring system. Designed for effortless 24/7 tracking, it automatically records a new reading every 5 minutes. That's 288 readings per day, capturing every tiny rise or dip your body experiences. Forget the old days of finger pricks and test strips. This device brings truly painless monitoring to life with a small, lightweight sensor that sits comfortably on your skin for a full 14 days. It's almost invisible, yet constantly working in the background, sending real-time updates to your Android device via Bluetooth. The result? Constant awareness of your glucose trends without effort, interruption, or discomfort. What makes this system stand out is how it transforms data into understanding. Through the companion app, you can view daily glucose curves, AGP reports, and detailed summaries that reveal how meals, exercise, and sleep affect your sugar levels. It's like having a personal health coach that never sleeps, giving you insights to fine-tune your lifestyle and make smarter choices every day. When the app exports a full 14-day health report, it doesn't just show numbers. It provides actionable advice tailored to your diet and activity patterns. The technology inside the Sibionics GS1 sensor is engineered for exceptional accuracy, using advanced biosensors and AI calibration that learn your body's rhythm over time. Its IPX8 waterproof design means it's as comfortable in the shower or gym as it is during a peaceful night's sleep. Whether you're having breakfast, doing light exercise, or relaxing before bed, this monitor keeps you informed and in control. What truly sets it apart is its sense of connection. You can easily share your glucose data with family or healthcare providers, allowing timely intervention and collaborative care when needed. This remote monitoring feature brings reassurance and safety, ensuring that even small fluctuations don't go unnoticed. With no finger sticks, no constant recharging, and no bulky equipment, it's as convenient as it is advanced. A perfect blend of science, design, and everyday comfort. It doesn't just measure your health, it empowers you to live it fully, confidently, and intelligently. Pros: accuracy, painless use, connectivity, insights. Cons: Android only. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.